Hey everybody, this is Chef Kirsten Helly, the founder and CEO of Mesa de Vida Healthy Global Gourmet Cooking Sauces. I am making a recipe today just for my family's dinner. I'm making cauliflower con pollo, a take on arroz con pollo with no grains, no rice, super healthy and delicious, great for Whole30, great for paleo, great for anybody who's trying to cut carbs. So if you want to check out this recipe, definitely stick around. Glad to see you stuck around. So if you want to see more recipes that are Whole30 approved, that are great for low carb, great for healthy family recipes, click the like button and subscribe, and I will be sending more to you. Definitely also check out the links below to mesadevida.com. We've got loads of recipes, all of the links to our healthy global gourmet cooking sauces. Today we're using the Smoky Latin. We also have a North African, Moroccan inspired, Creole, spicy, and Caribbean spicy sauces. So check those out. They're cooking and seasoning sauces, probably unlike anything you've ever seen. I definitely want to show you how to use them, and this is a great recipe to start with. So again, if you love arroz con pollo, that big mound of rice and chicken and mushrooms and a yummy, yummy savory sauce that you would get at most Mexican restaurants, used to be a favorite of mine. At least 4 cups of rice in that serving, super gut bomb. So this is a really healthy way to make it for a whole family. If you have somebody who's following Whole30, maybe somebody who's eating grains, this is a great way to make the recipe that the whole family can sit down to the dinner table and enjoy. So if you do have a family that does enjoy grains, you can throw this over the top of some steamed white rice. For me, I just enjoy it with a side of nice green fresh salad, something easy and delicious, or a bunch of radishes, carrots, something like that to munch on alongside of it. But here's what it looks like. So good. Doesn't this look like a big, beautiful pot of arroz con pollo? Definitely easy. Oh, it smells so good. I cannot wait for you to smell this and have your whole house smell like this delicious meal. This is just one of the many, many ways to use our Smoky Latin cooking sauce, whether it's your tacos in your slow cooker, in your Instant Pot, so for simmering meats, nice and saucy shredded meats, if it's using it as we are today, as a recipe starter, shortcut sauce for great, great flavor, super fresh, super healthy, fruits, vegetables, spices, and herbs in this concentrated, thick, rich cooking sauce and seasoning sauce. Just one of the many ways to use it. So here's how we make it, and definitely head to the link below for the full recipe. That's where you can also find the recipes, links to discount codes to have it shipped to your door, and lots of other great inspiration. So definitely check it out, and I look forward to seeing you over there and helping you bring more life to your table. Cheers!